Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to KJ Trading. Today is kind of it was a long day for me, I guess. I was trading during school. I am at home since I only have one class, but trading at home, online in the Google Meet, doing classwork, trying to trade. Never the funnest of times, but Stern still can't speak. Still was profitable today. Show you over here, up $3.24 in the account. Um, Definitely not really bringing back any losses I had in the last week. I would say last week wasn't so great for this account. Um, I'm sure you guys know all the stocks that we day trade have been faking out, and there's not been really anything good besides GameStop. And today I actually made some money off them. So we'll get right into this trade first. So yeah, I know you're probably looking at this and saying, "Why is there so many lines?" But all these retail traders follow the exact same lines here. You can literally see every single line. I drew this one from the side to the side, and it became a resistance here, all the way down, resistance here, resistance there, and it finally broke it, and then became a support. They broke it and shot back up, and then I was all for that line. Zoom in, and then they made a low, so I got here, drew this line, it became support here, resistance. But I'm actually gonna take this line out. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna take that out because this is where I got my trade from. So yeah, they came down, up, down again. So I drew this line from this low to this low, and then they came back up, came back down, hit the line again. And my new strategy is when there's all the lines like this. I have the EMA and the Bollinger Band here. When they're all kind of flat and they're all kind of tight, I get in. I got in here because they didn't break the support line, and then they were just about to break this high of this candle here. So I was in. You could see 103.50. So where is that? 103.50, right where my cursor is. I got it here because they bounced, and all my lines were looking good. And then it was about to break these highs, and all of a sudden the candle just appears all the way up here at 106.64, which is right where my cursor is. It didn't even move; it just appeared. So I just sold it because that's a big move. It was $3 for them, huge move. That was the biggest move the entire day. Luckily, I caught it. I would call that luck. It was a good trade because the support, but you can never say it's ever going to happen again. That's really hard to catch, and I was basically luck that it moved $3 in my favor. Could have done the same thing downside, but I mean, it was support, so that worked out. Sold it up there, could have got some more gains, but that's okay. Took the profit, and I just been watching them because I've actually been holding them in my Robinhood account since last Friday. I got in on them. I'll go over that later in the video. Let me go over to the next trade. So you can see one other two. ASLN was the other one. Made a little bit of money on them. Nothing much though. So we click on them. All right, let me type in ASLN. Took one pre-market. I got all right. So let me show basically my setup. So I've been analyzing the stocks all this weekend. Every single one I day trade, and I added this Bollinger Band in. I got rid of the top and the bottom Bollinger, so it's only the middle one. And whenever this Bollinger Band, the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA all get really tight together and they kind of flatten out, that's my signal to get in. As soon as it breaks it, I got in at 673 here. Pre-market worked perfectly. I didn't sell it though. So I actually did take a loss in this trade by 4 cents. So I lost 8 cents on this. Um, but it did work perfectly. It works almost every time. I've been watching it. But yeah, I was up. Let's see, I got in at 73 and it hit. So I was up 13ish cents. You can call it. Didn't sell it. I was gonna sell it if it got over the 200 EMA up here, but it didn't. So I just took the loss on it. So that's fine. And then my second trade was down here. Since they've been faking out so much, let me zoom in some more to make this easier for you to see it. Sorry about that. Anyway, they've been faking out all day long. You can see that they shoot up, they come back down. And again, they got really tight in the EMAs. I wanted to get in here, but I didn't because I was watching GameStop. I got here late to the move, but they pulled back down and then they closed here and it was still tight, so I got in here. It was 568, which is pretty high, I guess. Got in way up here on the candle and I sold it in the same candle all the way up at 574, so I made 68 to 74, so 6 cents. I made 18 cents in that trade, so I lost 8 cents on the other one, so I'm only up 10 cents. Good, I'm still green. This trade wasn't the best. I wish I got in here. This would actually be my setup, but I wasn't here watching the stock at that time. I switched back and I saw that they did my move, came back down, so I got in. And obviously I could have held longer and made some more money on it, but you can see all they've done is drop today, so I just took my profit. That's it for the trades. Now, well, I could go back to here. The gap scanner today, really funky. Almost nothing in here is good. I'm going to go through and show you everything that's weird, starting from the top. So, that stock, horrible. This stock got into my scanner late. I got in around this time, so I didn't even see this one until later. Don't know why I wasn't in. TD Ameritrade is weird. This stock, horrible again. There's no volume. Bunch of funky stocks. This one's not good either. This one, not too good. There's not really any volume on them. Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi, whatever you want to call it, not too good either. They just gapped up straight up and then kind of held. So this is the one I took my trades on, but all I've done is fall, so they're not good either. APEN, again, still nothing. No volume really. This one, not good. You can see back here, it was basically just robots trading them, so that's not good. Socket, I'm sure day traders, we all remember this stock. Again, I guess there might have been opportunity, but there wasn't anything for my setup, and I hear nothing for my setup. So if I come back over here, you can see I go by the volume. So ASLN was the one with the biggest volume, and it was one of the only ones in the scanner with APEN and socket early in the morning, and it had 40, I don't know, had 35 million when I started to trade it. You could see that their volume really didn't do anything, and then eCore came out of nowhere with 91 million. So if you do click on them, you could see that this is the one that most of the day traders on. You can actually see their volumes really good, and they're actually going up. Have they done my setup anywhere? Right here, they kind of did my setup right now. So let's see. I guess we could see what happens. Yeah, I'm not gonna make you wait. Anyway, I'll go over my setup in another video. But now let's go over to the Robinhood portfolio. So drag this down, full screen that. Oops, not that. Is this fun? Trying to hide my thing. Oh well. Yeah, I'm in school, so you can see all the stuff up the top. Anyway, so this is what it looks like over the year. I'm up 330% on the year. Very tiny account. We did have more money in it, but traded options and lost it. So started roughly at $11, and we're pretty much beginning to trade back then. And then I bought in Tesla way back then when they were around $300, and just kind of rolled them all the way up to like this point, December. And I sold them when they were $780. So the account was almost at $30 then. And then from this point on, I got in Dogecoin. And Dogecoin, this is when it skyrocketed, brought us all the way up to basically $41. It was $45. I don't know why the chart is off. Just like here, this was $50, but it's only saying 46. So that's weird. But anyway, Dogecoin rocketed, and then I was only using Robinhood at this time for Dogecoin because they suck. Especially though, Vlad tentative lies about why they really halted and stopped buying, or let the retail traders not buy or do anything to GameStop. He's been lying, so I don't support this company or this platform at all, other than cryptocurrencies. But I held them because I didn't really care. It was just a whole Dogecoin for maybe a year or so. They crashed. They came back up. I was over $50 at the top here. It says only 46. But I was over $50. Still held them. And then I sold them right here at the bottom. So let me go into a month. Nope. Nope. Yeah. So I sold Dogecoin here. And then this is where I started the day trade GME. So back, well, I could show you on my other screen. So let me drag this up here. Let's go on GameStop. Let's go back a couple of days here. Can I go 20 days, 1 minute? Okay, I can. Cool. Whoa. Okay. Now we're going to go way back. Not there. Wait. Is that it? Nope. Or was that it? Was that it? Yes, this was here. This is when I was day trading them. So this is when they came from $40 all up to 200 after as soon as the market closed. You can see all my lines. I'm actually gonna get rid of these so it's easier for you to see. Let's just get rid of this one. Let's get rid of them all. Dun, 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 dun. Remove, remove, remove. So, I day traded these guys a bunch of times. So, what I did, this looks like a 5 minute. It's not though. Okay. So they crashed down. They got halted a bunch of times downside. They crashed from 175 all down to $100, and I got in here. This isn't true. I got in down here, way low, or was it then? Oh no, it was here. I did day trade these guys. I know. I can go into the history, but I know I got in down here somewhere. I could have sworn it was lower than that, but I day traded them. I bought in, I sold them right here. I know this. Sold them up here, and then I bought them again, sold them again, and then bought them again, sold them again. So I used up all three of my day trades, and I made good profit that day on them. I was up over 33% in the account that one day, and then I couldn't day trade anymore, because of PDT rules. So I had to wait till tomorrow to day trade, because today is Monday again. So tomorrow I could day trade since I used all of them last Monday. But anyway, now I've been swing trading them. So this is Friday here. They crashed a whole lot. So I bought them down here. Luckily, it was the bottom. I bought them down here at like 87. The screen line is where I got in on Robinhood. And I'm still holding them currently. They skyrocketed up, consolidated, skyrocketed up. This is when, if I pull back this page here, do that. This is where, last week, this is where the account, you can see it just followed them perfectly. This is where we are at 55. Actually, it was at 60. So it's still off by $5, which is a lot. The account did hit 60 up here, but it's only saying 55. So charting is really off on these guys. But yeah, let me pull these back out. So you can see, that was the bottom where I did buy in the first time, and I'm still holding them currently. So pull this out of the way. You can see I bought in here, consolidated, rocketed up. I was up 60 here, but I couldn't sell them. I'm still holding them. I day traded them here. Oh, they're coming up pretty good, huh? That's good. And now they're rocketing up, breaking this nice resistance. They came and hit this one, but I don't know if we really want to count that. Let me get rid of this line, get rid of this line, get rid of this line. All right, so you can keep those. So they're breaking out of this trend line going down here from the highs. Might become support. We'll see. I don't know if you really want to count that, but I guess it kind of hit there. And I don't know if they're going to hit this line at all, so I'm just going to keep it in. But anyway, come back up here. But yeah, so this is where we currently are. We're going on 1 day. You see, I was up over $50 here. I don't know why it's only saying $49.50. It's still off. I was actually up $51. But they're off. I'm up $8.70 again on these guys. I'm not going to buy in Dogecoin, though. I'm going to buy in Bitcoin because they're going to go to like a couple 100K here in the future. So definitely gonna be buying Bitcoin. But yeah, you get these guys out of the way. So I day traded them, made $3.24. Good day. It's in my trader view report, so I'm gonna be making a video on that soon. But with that, went over my day trades today, recapped it, showed my Robinhood portfolio real quick. I'm gonna be selling them soon, so I can get Bitcoin. I might even sell them now. I'm up basically $50. I'll do it live. Let's sell them live right now. Click these guys. I don't actually use Robinhood on desktop, so I don't know how to do it. I just do it on my phone. So how much money do I have in there? $49.75. Oh yeah, you can see my average cost down here. So when I bought them, so 49.76. I want to sell them. Why am I buying? I want to sell them. Hold on a second. There we go. Not invested. What do you mean? Oh, they came down this way. Back. Let's just go 60. If they would stop dropping so I can actually get my order out there. What do you mean not enough invested? I have all this in here. Hold on a second. That's not true. Look at my market value is 49. They're saying it's only $46. Yeah, I want to sell all of it. Okay, did it get filled? It's complete. No. So I don't own them. Alright, so it's got filled. Or it was filled. But cool. I'm gonna go back to the home page here. One day. Basically the account was at $50, and now I'm gonna go buy some Bitcoin. And I'm gonna cut the video off there. I'm gonna put all of it in. So I have what? 49, how much? Wish it would tell me like on my phone. 49.55 all going into Bitcoin. 49.55. Review order. Make it limit. Yep. Now hopefully this gets filled. Already went, I think. I don't even know how to use these guys on desktop. Anyway, with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Quick recap showing my portfolio on Ameritrade and Robinhood. If you guys learned anything, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm super close to 50 subs now. I'm at 46. It was my goal to hit 50 at the end of the last month, but my new goal for this month is to hit 60. So if you want to help me out, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Helps out a lot. Make sure to hit that like button. With that, thank you for watching.